So today I will tell you what is e-commerce, and how can you earn money from e-commerce, and how can you make a profitable business in it. Welcome to your Wise Thinking channel. If you are new, then please subscribe the channel. So let's start the video without any delay. Do you know what is the daily turnover of e-commerce industry? Global e-commerce sales were estimated to be in the hundreds of billions of dollars per day collectively. However, it's important to note that this figure can fluctuate over time due to changes in consumer behavior, market trends, and other external factors. So there are several types of e-commerce, including business to consumer, where businesses sell directly to consumers through online stores like Amazon or eBay. Then there's business to business, where transactions occur between businesses, such as wholesalers selling products to retailers. Is e-commerce profitable? The simple answer is yes. In 2022, e-commerce accounted for 19% of all retail sales globally, and it's expected to grow to nearly 25% by 2027. So today we will talk only about B2C. Now, how to start. So first, you need to market research. The first step in building a B2C e-commerce business is conducting thorough market research. Identify your target audience, understand their needs and preferences, and analyze your competitors to find opportunities for differentiation. Next, choose your products or services. Once you have a clear understanding of your target market, it's time to select the products or services you'll offer. Choose high-quality, in-demand items that align with your brand and cater to your audience's needs. After that, set up your online store. Choose a reliable e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, and customize your website to reflect your brand identity. Ensure your store is user-friendly, mobile responsive, and optimized for search engines. Next, create compelling product listings that highlight the features, benefits, and unique selling points of your products. Use high-quality images and detailed descriptions to provide customers with all the information they need to make a purchase decision. Consequently, develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to drive traffic to your online store and attract customers. Utilize a mix of digital marketing tactics such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising. And last, analyze performance and iterate. Monitor your e-commerce performance metrics such as sales, website traffic, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction levels. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and iterate on your strategies to optimize performance and drive growth. So let us talk about the most important thing, that is sales. If you don't have sales, no matter what you do, you cannot make a profitable business in e-commerce business. So that's why today we will talk about a platform where your sales will increase significantly. And the name of that platform is Amazon. If you don't know, I want to tell you Amazon's average daily sales revenue $4 billion. So let me tell you, how can you sell on Amazon and earn money from here? So the first step is to create your Amazon seller account. Head over to the Amazon Seller Central website and sign up. Choose between the individual or professional selling plan, depending on your sales volume. Next, set up your seller profile. Once your account is set up, it's time to complete your seller profile. Provide accurate business information, including your company name, address, and contact details. This information will help build trust with potential customers. Now, the main thing is, it's time to list your products on Amazon. Use the Seller Central dashboard to create detailed product listings, including titles, descriptions, and images. Make sure your listings are accurate, informative, and visually appealing to attract buyers. After that, optimize your listings. To maximize your sales potential, it's important to optimize your product listings. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to improve search visibility. Monitor competitor listings and pricing to stay competitive in the marketplace. Next, promote your products. Take advantage of Amazon's advertising options, such as sponsored products and Amazon stores, to increase visibility and drive sales. Leverage social media and other marketing channels to promote your Amazon listings and attract more customers to your store. And last, monitor performance and metrics. Regularly monitor your sales performance and metrics, including sales volume, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategies accordingly to maximize your selling potential on Amazon. So you know now how to sell on Amazon. Now, what things do we need to keep in mind while selling on Amazon, and what problems can arise? Component number 1, product listing optimization. Ensure your product listings are optimized with accurate titles, descriptions, images, and keywords to improve visibility and attract buyers. Point number 2, competitive pricing. Stay competitive by monitoring competitor prices and adjusting your prices accordingly. Consider factors like shipping costs, fees, and profit margins when setting prices. Component number 3, inventory management. Keep track of your inventory levels to avoid stockouts or overstocking. Use Amazon's inventory management tools to monitor stock levels and restock products as needed. Point number 4, customer service. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to inquiries, addressing issues or concerns, and striving to exceed customer expectations. Positive reviews and ratings are crucial for building trust with buyers. And last, Amazon policies and guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's policies, guidelines, and terms of service to ensure compliance. Violations of Amazon's policies can result in account suspension or closure. Besides, you continuously monitor your sales performance, customer feedback, and market trends to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategies accordingly. Stay proactive in addressing challenges and optimizing your selling process. So till now, we have talked only about sales. So now we will talk if you want to sell a product. Where can you buy the product at a cheap rate? Let me tell you. There is a website whose name is Alibaba. You can buy many products from its website. There are many products available there. You can buy whatever you want and sell it on Amazon. I myself have purchased products from Alibaba and sold them on Amazon. That's why I can tell you. I already have experience in this. So guys, we will take more videos on e-commerce. Embrace the journey of growth and discovery, for within every challenge lies an opportunity to shine. Remember, the path to success is not always easy, but with persistence, resilience, and unwavering belief in yourself, you can conquer any obstacle and achieve greatness. Your unique journey is a testament to your strength and determination. Keep pushing forward, for your dreams are within reach, waiting to be realized. Believe in the power of your potential, and let your light illuminate the world. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wise Thinking for more content like this. Thanks for watching.